test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
My name is Han.
How old are you?
This is one.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Where do you live?
I live in Songkran.
What's your favorite subject?
My
My
favorite subject
is
is Math.
math. Okay, very good. Okay, look at the picture, Tan. What can you see?
I can see flower and rock
Flowers.
and rocks.
Okay. How many rocks can you see?
I can see six rocks.
How many dogs can you see?
I can see two dogs.
How many rabbits can you see?
I can see six rabbits.
How many trees can you see?
I can see 10
Trees.
trees.
Okay, very good. Now let's talk about animals in the park. Do you like turtle?
Yes, I do.
Do you like frog?
No, I don't.
Do you like butterfly?
Yes, I do.
Do you like ant?
No, I don't.
Are you afraid of beetle?
No, I don't. No, I'm not.
Are you afraid of spider?
No, I'm not.
Are you afraid of bird?
No, I'm not.
Are you afraid of bee?
Yes, I am.
Okay, next. What can you do?
I can ride a bike and play soccer.
Can you do a cartwheel?
No, I can't.
Can you play badminton?
Yes, I can.
Can you fly a kite?
Yes, I can.
Can you jump rope?
Yes, I can.
Okay, now let's talk about animals in the zoo. What is it?
Is a monkey. Is an elephant. Is a tiger. Is a snake. Is a penguin. Is a tiger.
Is a lion.
Is a crocodile. Is a turtle. Is a panda. Is a
Go.
gorilla. Is a deer. Is an ostrich.
Okay, very good. Look at the first picture. Where is the tiger?
Is under the tree.
Very good. Where is the elephant?
Is
In
the tree.
in the
River.
river. Where is the penguin?
Is in the
Lake.
lake.
Okay, next. Where are the lions?
There are
The hill.
here.
Where are the snakes?
There are
On.
the rock.
Very good. Where are the zebras?
There are under
Again, there.
the tree.
Okay, very good. Now let's talk about your daily routine. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth in the morning.
What do you do after lunch?
I brush my hair up
After
after
lunch.
lunch.
What do you do before bed?
I wash my P for pen.
Okay, very good. Now let's talk about transportation. What is this?
Is a
This
This is a bicycle. This is a motorbike. This is a boat. This is a truck. This is a bus. This is a tree. This is a helicopter. This is a car. This is a plane.
this is
A
an
plane.
airplane.
Airplane.
Okay, that's all for speaking, says